Hey everybody, welcome back to Moonstone RC Designs. Today we'll be doing the installation on these body supports and bumper supports for the Arrma Mojave 6S. Alright, we're going to start with the rear body support. So this will fill in the gap here in this body absorption brace because these are a common damage area. You roll over, these take the brunt of it, they crack. What this will do is absorb the impact and save your mounts. So these just squeeze in here. Nice tight fit, and they'll help cushion that. And hold them in because you don't want them sliding out. You just run a zip tie under through the middle. Tighten it up, and that's it. Now for the front, exact same steps. Your skinnier one will go in the front. Same way, it's a nice tight fit. You have to work it up and down a bit just to get it all the way in. Too much. Go. All right. And again, we'll just lock this into place with the zip tie. Just so you don't end up losing it when you're out somewhere bashing. Trim this off. Now that's installed. Now we'll continue with our front support. This is similar to some of our other supports where it has a built-in lip to help retain it, so no extra screws or anything have to go through it. So same way, you want to squeeze these in while you push it in. Sorry if I'm blocking. Usually looking for the middle first and then doing the outsides. Now that's in, and you can actually see it wrinkling. So that's installed now, not going anywhere. Same thing to remove it, just stick your screwdriver in, pry it out, it'll pop right out. Alright, now we'll be installing the rear bumper support. This is the most difficult because it requires 2 bolts be removed. There's other ways to get to it, but for me I find that's the easiest way. Alright, so what you want to do is remove the 2 screws, one on each side, right above the links, here and here. And the bumper will fold out and make it easy to drop in that support. Alright, so for speed of the video, I'm going to be using an electric driver. So get the first side out. One screw out. Now on this side, you can also use standard screwdriver, a little skinnier, but I want to use the driver. So what I'm going to do is just flip this out of the way. So I'm going to remove the pin, lift this out of the way just so I have room for the big driver. Alright, second screw out. Now you just pull this back and you can easily get to it. You get your support, where is it? Right here. And this one you'll see has no lips because it actually gets held in by the body mount. So this, you'll just do the same thing. Squeeze in the center and the outsides. push all the way down, and you're done. So now reverse it. So install the 2 screws and the pin over here, and you're all done. Hope you enjoyed the products. Any questions, concerns, problems, advice, opinions, feel free to contact me at Moonstone RC Designs. Thank you very much, and I hope you enjoy your product.